In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create simple quantum AI models using Qiskit, a quantum computing framework. We'll guide you through setting up your environment, understanding the basics of quantum circuits, and integrating AI algorithms.
Did you know that quantum computing can solve complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers? Welcome to How to Build Quantum AI Models, a beginner's guide. Today, we'll explore how quantum AI is reshaping technology. We'll dive into Qiskit, a leading framework, and show you how to create simple yet powerful quantum AI models. Let's get started and unlock the power of quantum computing for AI.
Quantum AI merges the principles of quantum computing with artificial intelligence, offering unprecedented processing power and efficiency. Unlike classical computing, which relies on bits, quantum computing uses qubits. Qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. Moreover, qubits can be entangled, allowing them to influence each other instantly over any distance. These unique properties enable quantum computers to solve complex problems much faster than classical computers. By integrating AI, which excels in learning from data, quantum AI models can revolutionize fields like optimization, machine learning, and cryptography. Qiskit is an open-source framework developed by IBM to enable quantum computing. It's a suite of tools designed to help you create and manipulate quantum circuits. With Qiskit, you can write code that runs on both simulators and actual quantum hardware via IBM's cloud services. This flexibility allows you to test and refine your models in a controlled environment before scaling them to real quantum devices. The framework includes various libraries for algorithm development, visualization, and optimization, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to delve into quantum computing. To begin building quantum AI models, you'll need to set up your development environment. Start by installing Python, a versatile programming language commonly used in data science. Next, use pip, Python's package manager, to install Qiskit. Creating a virtual environment is recommended to manage dependencies specifically for your quantum projects. Once Qiskit is installed, test your setup by running a basic quantum circuit. For accessing real quantum hardware, you'll need an IBM Quantum account, which you can set up for free. The Qiskit documentation is a valuable resource for tutorials and advanced topics.
In quantum computing, qubits are the fundamental units of information. Unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in a state of 0, 1, or both simultaneously, thanks to the principle of superposition. Additionally, qubits can become entangled, meaning the state of one qubit can depend on the state of another, regardless of the distance between them. Quantum gates are operations that change the states of qubits. These include the Atomar gate, which creates superposition, the Knot gate for entanglement, and the Pauli-X gate, which behaves like a classical NOT gate. Understanding these concepts is crucial for building quantum circuits. Building a quantum circuit involves designing a sequence of quantum gates to perform computations. Start by initializing your qubits in a specific state. Then, apply quantum gates to transform these states according to your algorithm. For instance, you might use a Atomar gate to put a qubit into superposition, followed by a Knot gate to entangle it with another qubit. Finally, measure the qubits to collapse their states into classical bits, providing the output of your computation. Qiskit offers powerful visualization tools to help you design and understand your circuits, making it easier to experiment and learn. Integrating AI algorithms into quantum models is at the forefront of technological innovation. Quantum AI models capitalize on the strengths of both quantum computing and artificial intelligence, creating systems capable of processing information in ways classical systems cannot. By adapting machine learning algorithms to run on quantum circuits, we can enhance their efficiency and scalability. Quantum-enhanced optimization techniques can significantly improve AI model training times and outcomes. Moreover, researchers are exploring quantum neural networks, which promise to revolutionize fields like image recognition and natural language processing. Mastering this integration requires a solid understanding of both quantum mechanics and AI methodologies.
Testing and troubleshooting are crucial steps in developing reliable quantum AI models. Before running your circuit on a real quantum computer, use simulators to verify functionality in a controlled environment. Debugging involves checking the logic of your quantum gates and ensuring the measurements provide accurate results. Qiskit offers diagnostic tools to help identify and correct errors, such as gate fidelity issues or qubit decoherence. By iteratively testing and refining your model, you can enhance its robustness and reliability, ensuring it performs optimally when deployed on quantum hardware. The potential applications of quantum AI span numerous industries, promising to transform the way we approach complex challenges. In finance, quantum AI can optimize trading strategies and risk management. In healthcare, It accelerates drug discovery by simulating molecular interactions at unprecedented speeds. Quantum AI also enhances cryptographic systems, ensuring data security in an increasingly digital world. These applications not only improve existing processes but also open new avenues for innovation in artificial intelligence research. As quantum computing technology matures, its integration with AI will likely drive significant advancements across various sectors. Congratulations on completing this beginner's guide to building quantum AI models using Qiskit. We've covered the basics of setting up your environment, understanding quantum mechanics, and integrating AI algorithms. As you continue your journey, remember that continuous learning and experimentation are key. Join the quantum AI community to share your insights and stay updated on the latest advancements. Don't hesitate to explore more advanced topics and tools as you gain confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thank you for watching.